Galaxy Z Fold 7 versus the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. There are a couple of differences between these two mobiles. First of all, these two mobiles are released in 2025 July, this one, 2026 July, this one. So when we talk about this mobiles comparison, the two mobiles comes with, when they are wide open, they both come with the same 8 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x LTPO displays, which are 120Hz displays, H refresh displays, and HDR10 plus support displays. When they were closed, they are also the same 6.5 inches of 120Hz refresh AMOLED displays, LTPO AMOLED displays, and they also supports 120Hz refresh rate. But we can see a difference between these two mobiles in terms of processor and RAM types. The Z Fold 7 comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is a previous generation's flagship processor. The Z Fold 8 Ultra comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is the latest processor, flagship processor. The Z Fold 7 comes with a UFS 4.0 storage capacity, where the Z Fold 8 Ultra comes with a UFS 4.1 storage capacity. Apart from that, they both comes with the LPDDR5 RAM types. Okay, yeah, they both comes in the same variants, like 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB 512GB internal storage variants. And when we talk about the other differences, like Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 7 8 Ultra comes with a triple cameras, but there is a small difference. They both comes with a main wide angle camera, that is a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 10 megapixels of telephoto lens, and the Z Fold 7 comes with a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle selfie camera, where the Z Fold 8 Ultra was upgraded to 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. So that's the difference. And in the front, when it is in folded and unfolded situation, they both comes with a 10 and 10 megapixels of front facing selfie cameras. That's obvious thing, and we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with this mobile's back cameras and also with the front. And we can also see a difference between these two mobiles in terms of battery. Yeah, I didn't expect this, but the Z Fold 7 comes with a 4400 milliampere of battery, which was upgraded to 5000 milliampere in Z Fold 8 Ultra. They have also used some some composition of carbon in the battery, according to the news till now. So the charging speeds also increased. The Z Fold 7 supports up to 25 watts of wide charge, where the Z Fold 8 was upgraded to 45 watts of wide charge. The Z Fold 7 supports 15 watts of wireless, and the Z Fold 8 Ultra supports 25 watts of wireless, and both supports 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. That's another thing. And we can also see that there is a difference between these two mobiles in terms of connectivity. Not in terms of the 5G bands, in terms of both mobiles come to the Wi-Fi 7 turbo support, NFC, and USB Type-C Gen 2. We can see a difference between these two mobiles in terms of Bluetooth. The Z Fold 7 comes with a Bluetooth 5.4, where the Z Fold 8 Ultra comes with a Bluetooth 6 version. And we can also see difference between these two mobiles in terms of the crease. The crease was decreased in the Z Fold 8 Ultra, but the weight is also the same, 215 grams Z Fold 7, and Z Fold 8 Ultra also has a 215 grams. So this mobile also has a difference in between the in terms of the price. Obviously, these two mobiles are available in different colors. I will leave the list of colors in the description box down below with a buying link. Oh, by the way, if you're watching the video till now, you might be liking the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's the important thing. Yeah, both mobile comes with a IP54 water and dust resistance. And when we talk about these mobiles box contents, these two mobiles come to the same, the mobile itself and a Type-C cable and SIM ejector tool. No body cover or anything in the box of the mobile. When we talk about the colors, these mobiles are available in different colors. I have listed in the colors, the buying links in the description box, so you can go and check it out from there. And when we talk about these two mobiles, similar things like these two mobiles come with the same side mounted fingerprint scanners, stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jacks. And when we talk about these mobiles operating systems, the Z Fold 7 was released with Android version 15 with One UI 8 probably. The Z Fold 8 Ultra is going to release with Android version 16 with One UI 8.5, probably upgraded to 9 in a couple of days. and the both mobiles comes in different price brackets. So there is also we can find a difference. The Z Fold 7 comes with a 1,74,900 rupees, which is 1,75,000 rupees. The Z Fold 8 Ultra comes with a 1,99,999, almost 2 lakh rupees for the base variant, the 12GB and 56GB variant. So I don't know who's going to buy this mobile for that price range. I'm not going to buy this. Are you? If you are going to buy this mobile, do let me know in the comment section down below and share the video.